Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Today, we are going to learn about some places where we can go and explore nature. So, we could go to the forest or the jungle. There are many animals that we can find there. We can also go to the beach where we can go to swim next to the sea. We can go to the desert where there's a lot of sand. We can go to the river or a lake. We can go to the mountains and we can find so many interesting things to discover. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you soon, Raccoon.